Okay, today we are fixing this spigot on the outside of our old house. It does not work and it's dripping, creating kind of a moist area against the house. So it's gotta go. I'll show you how to take care of this, put in a new spigot, all for relatively cheap. I think I spent about this much money. Here we go. You are gonna need a few different items to complete this project. The first one being a shark bite fitting that you can get at any Lowe's or Home Depot. This is a coupling that reduces from 3/4 to 1/2 inch, but this is going to be dependent on what type of piping is underneath your house. And then again, depending on what piping you already have underneath your house, I have copper. I picked up this copper pipe cutter specifically for 1/2 inch again. And then this is probably the most important piece, the actual outdoor spigot itself. And you can see this one has holes on the side to be able to drill into the house or a plate. Okay, now you get to come with me to our creepy crawl space. I found a little friend on the way. I thought it was alive. It was definitely not alive. Okay, here's my current setup. Some very clearly old copper piping that goes straight through the cinder block. So I'm first gonna shut off the water and then cut the pipe. Even though the water's turned off and the faucets are open in the house, there's still a little bit of drippage. I encourage bringing a bucket down. After I've completely cut the pipe in half, I push the old pipe through the cinder block just so I can grab it on the other side. And then I'm gonna take this shark bite coupling. And if you've never used shark bite before, you literally just push it on the pipe. And I apologize, I did not have a cameraman or a tripod, so you're just gonna have to use your imagination a little bit on some of these parts. As I mentioned, I push this out and then I can just go grab the old corroded piece and throw that away. And you'll see here we have a hole, but that was originally created for a 1/2 inch pipe, which I'm going to replace with a 3/4 inch piece of PEX. So I did have to chisel this out a little bit more. All right, you can see I'm officially sweating now, but I got it. We are through. Doesn't look much different because it was just missing by a hair, but we're through, so we're gonna go make some cuts and finish this up. All right, now I need to make a cut in here, and it's very important with this shark bite fitting that wherever you put it on the pipe, there's no scratches or scrapes, so I found a good spot, cut it, and added the coupling by just pushing it together. Again, these pieces are really simple, very plug and play. All right, and I'm gonna be honest with you, forgot to film this part. Thought I had my camera up. What you're gonna do then is just snip, and same thing. These shark bite fittings are incredible. You just push against it, and now you can see pulling out. It's not coming out at all. It's fit in there. So I'm gonna close this up, and obviously still have to put some concrete anchors, or they also make little plates that fit behind this, because that is still very loose, obviously, but it'll do the job. So I'm gonna close this, fully closed. I'm gonna go back down underneath the crawl space, turn it on, come back up, show you that it works. And moment of truth. We have water. All right, there you go. And I apologize again for the low quality of this video, but I was already doing this home project, so I just thought I'd capture it and put it on YouTube for others to learn, because this project really is easy. I honestly kind of love plumbing. It's just like Lego pieces. It's a little scary, but as long as you have your water turned off, you're good to go. All right, hope this was helpful. Subscribe, follow along for more random videos that I make on this channel. We're always learning something together. Till next time, see you later.